in the man. I'm to your dog, you man have a prayers emoji more and see charge it. Oh. I'm to your dog, you man have a little daughter in a brother. Man have a little daughter in a bro. All if it true brother, I don't want to believe dog. The man just left on his life since night bro. The man just left on his life and send me request since night. And true me say me a breeze off him energy, me decline it dog. I don't want to die and feel like say me regret accepting the man request brother. The man just a send me request since night in a star. Yeah. And that's why when them a comment and I say yo the dog drop out. Me I say the dog no say him drop out. Cause me I say what is? Me just check my life and see this man send me a request brother. Just about a couple hours ago when me dep on my life. And then about 5 minutes after me see people in the comment section, the man drop out, the man drop out. I want him to know.
So you vampire then sneak up in the
Star me could have been anyone away bro. Could have been anyone away dog. Remember TikTok with the twinner bro. Remember we have people for our live or we watch you twinner dog. People wanna like we and people like we you know bro. It could have been anyone away dog. You see this will happen, this just shake me up brother. In a real life. This will happen dog, this just shake me up bro. Me I tell you no dog. You see it? Cause remember people dep on our live when we have the story time, we have thousands of people that watch we bro. We don't know who like we from who like we, so me always I tell you say, yes, we as content creator, a risk we they are take for entertain on in Jamaica. You think Jamaica nice my youth? A risk we they are take every day when you see we set up the phone camera there out the door some places. Cause people are watch we. You see what me I say bro? Some of you not even understand that dog. When you see we come for life every day we come laugh and we come talk and we smile and we have to watch we head back every single minute. So I know the thing go bro, cause me in the street dog. You see what me I say? Me in the street bro, so I know it go. Enough time I dep on my life out the road and me have to watch my back two side all bout. Bro in a man yard. I leave the road the man there bro. In a man yard the man there dog. I not even road the man there bro. And way man could have do something then go in a yard go kill him.
Yes, right now, going to Jamaica,
dog, it's like them me not even want friend people about buckler dog. Things like them me not even want friend people dog. And they are me hurt bro, me cut up dog. Me cut up bro. Cut up dog. You see me? Down to my friend them and me lose. You know cut me like how this here cut me bro. Cause me know the badness of my youth. You see what me I say? I know the thing bro. I lay a dog and I dip on the ground bro. I can't even near man my bum buckler food I cook charge it. I can't even near my food I cook dog. Man dip on him life bro. On him life bro. Man dip on him life dog. On him life bro. I entertain him people them I do him same fuck with them what him always do. On him life him there in a dark and I just go and see screen recording na bro. Cause me did watch the video at first and me see video me dog. Me I say one day if it's a prank this man I come with. When me hear in cousin I back start ball, me I say bumbo clot, it real you know. I watch out the whole life video and hear in cousin I back. You see as soon as me hear the girl start scream, I don't know fake scream that. You see what me I say? I don't know prank scream that or prank ball that. A murder cry that. You see what me I say bro? Murder cry that dog. When me hear that brother me I tell you say tears then just start flood out of my eyes same time dog. I could hold it. I could hold it bro. I could hold it dog. Dog, look how Jamaica come to my youth. The people them will entertain you know, every fucking day down to we you know want kill too. And we are entertain and put a smile on the face and down to we who want to kill too, brother. Oh, the bumbo clot you said to me, dog. I think a prank, bro, when me hear the girl start ball, brother. And I no prank balling that, a murder cry that, bro. A murder cry that, dog. You see me? Watching a chat. I still have to confirm it and see what going on, you know, because I don't know for sure. I don't know for certain yet. I just don't want to believe so that one. You see me? I just don't want to believe, bro. I just don't want to believe, dog. I don't want to believe, bro. A long time I'm on China, bro. A long time my dog at China, my youth. That's why I see me not pay him no mind, you know. I never hear me a trouble when I say, dog, you're mad people, you know, I not look for you, you know. A long time the man at China, bro, and I tell me so I'm gonna kill the man in my house, dog. I know say man have your little daughter who I'm a try with, bro. Come on, man. Where Jamaica come to, my youth? Where Jamaica come to, bro? Where Jamaica come to, dog? I wanna tell me say me wanna come for next. I saw wanna live out here, Rasta. And me wanna go find next. Our next content creator we are entertain, you know. I saw we are live, Rasta. Bumbo clot, man. I can't say we are live, bro. Prayer.